Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create some fantastic photo props using Readi-Board foam board. To begin, I've printed out my template. You can find a link to this template in this video's description. I'm going to separate out the facial hair portion of my template because I'm going to be placing this on black foam board. I'll use Repositionable spray adhesive to attach my template to my board. I'll cut away any excess and set it aside for future projects. To begin, I'm going to cut away this small interior area. To do so, I'm pushing my hobby knife blade through my foam board. When you're working like this, be careful of your fingers and take your time. Check the back to ensure that you've cut through all the paper. Then, cut the rest of the pieces out. To decorate my glasses, I've decided to use this colorful printed piece of scrapbook paper. I'm going to apply regular spray adhesive to the frame shape, and then press it against my paper. After I've allowed the adhesive to set, I'll cut along the edge of the frame shape. For the tiara, I'm starting with a base coat of a light blue. I'll paint my edges first and then move on to the front. Allow the paint to dry before moving on. I'm going to use some glitter to add a little sparkle. I'm going to fold a piece of paper in half before I begin working. This will make cleaning up the glitter a little easier later on. Apply the glue to the front of your project. Then smooth it out with a brush. And finally, apply the glitter. Give the glue some time to dry. Now that my glue has dried, I'm going to tap off any excess glitter. Use the fold that we put into the paper earlier to help dump the excess glitter back into the container. To make sure that the glitter doesn't get everywhere, I'm going to apply a layer of water-based clear polyacrylic. Set that aside to dry. For my word bubble, I'm going to use a permanent marker to trace around the edges. You may want to test your marker before you use it on your project. The ink on some markers can damage the foam. Then I'll use markers again to write my message. Some dowels that I'm going to use as handles. I'm going to paint a few of them to match their corresponding prop. Allow those to dry completely before trying to glue them to your projects. Since I've already warmed up my glue gun, I'm going to apply some crystals to my tiara. When you are applying your sticks, think about how people are going to have to hold the object. You can see as I'm working, I'm picking up the pieces to test the positions out. Allow the glue to set completely before using your props. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you'd like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.